Hello guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge World. In this video we will understand how is electricity generated and what are the different ways through which electricity is generated. So guys, before we begin, give a like to this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel Knowledge World and switch on the bell notifications button so that you don't miss any new updates. So guys, let's begin. Now let's understand the different ways through which electricity can be generated. As we all know, electricity is an essential part of our life. We use electricity for lighting bulbs or operating electronic appliances such as computer, TV, etc. We also use electricity in electric vehicles such as electric car or scooter. Electricity can be used in many more things. We can generate electricity in many ways such as by using coal, natural gas, water, sunlight, wind and many more. First let's talk about electricity generation through coal. First, coal is taken and is burnt to produce steam. The steam then passes under high pressure in a turbine which contains a generator in it. As the turbine spins, electricity is generated. Now let's understand how electricity is generated using sunlight. When sunlight strikes the solar panels absorb the sunlight and they convert the sunlight to usable electricity, which is called solar electricity. This is the way using which solar electricity is generated using sunlight. This is called solar electricity. Now let's understand how is electricity generated using natural gases. First, natural gas is burnt, due to which pressurized gas is produced. The pressurized gas then spins the blades of the turbine, which is connected to a generator. As a result, the magnets present in the generator start spinning, which causes electrons in the wire to start spinning, which creates an electric current which generates electricity. So guys, now let's understand how is electricity generated using wind energy. Wind possesses kinetic energy, and when the wind blows, the blades of the wind turbine start rotating, due to which the wind energy, which possesses kinetic energy, then gets converted into mechanical energy. There is an internal shaft inside the wind turbine which is connected to a gearbox, and the gearbox is connected to a generator. As the blade of the wind turbine starts rotating, the internal shaft connected to the gearbox starts spinning and the generator is able to generate electricity, as it is also connected to the internal shaft. Now let's understand about hydroelectricity. Water stored in reservoirs at hydropower plants flows through a penstock or pipe, and then they flow through a turbine which spins the turbine. The turbine is connected to a generator, and as the turbine spins, the generator generates electricity. This kind of electricity is known as hydroelectricity. Now let's understand how electricity is generated using petroleum. First, petroleum is taken and introduced to high temperature to produce steam. The steam is then used to spin large turbines that are connected to generators. When the turbines spin, the generators generate electricity. Now let's understand how electricity is generated in nuclear power plants. In nuclear power plants, first water is heated to produce steam, and the steam is used to spin large turbines connected to generator to generate electricity. Nuclear power plants use heat produced during nuclear fission to heat water. In nuclear fission, atoms are split apart to smaller atoms, releasing tremendous amount of energy in the form of heat and light. So finally, let's understand how electricity is generated using biofuels. First, let's understand what is biofuel. Biofuel is a fuel derived from biomass. Biomass is an organic matter used as fuel, especially for energy production or as raw material in various industrial processes. Some examples of biomass are wood, plant or algae material, animal waste, grass, etc. First, biofuels are burnt to produce steam. The steam is then used to spin large turbines that are connected to generators, and as the turbine spins, the generators generate electricity. Guys, one thing I would like to tell you is that in most of the ways of generating electricity, steam is produced, but always the resources used to produce steam is different. Let's take an example of coal and biofuel. While using both of these resources to generate electricity, we produce steam, but the resources used here is different. Now you might have a question. Why do we use different resources to generate electricity? There are many factors. The factors are the availability of resources in the area or location we live. For example, if we have an abundance of coal in our area, and we do not have a large amount of biomass or biofuels in our area, we would surely use coal to generate electricity. The second factor is the cost we have to bear for the required resources. For example, sometimes the cost for the material we need might be very high. In this case, we use the resources which we can afford. The third factor is sometimes we might use the resources to generate electricity, keeping in mind that we should not affect the environment around us. And guys, there are many more factors which we have not discussed here. Now let's talk about the largest electricity producing countries in the world. China is the largest producer of electricity in the world, followed by USA. India is the third largest producer of electricity in the world. Niue, an island country near New Zealand, is the lowest producer of electricity. Finally, at the end of this video, let's talk about some electricity producing countries by sector. 95.1% of electricity in Mongolia is generated using coal. 98.3% of electricity in UAE is generated using natural gas. 62% of electricity in Kuwait is generated using oil. 95.2% of electricity in Norway is generated using hydropower. 79.4% of electricity in France is generated using nuclear energy. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, then give a like to this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel Knowledge World and switch on the bell notifications button so that you don't miss any new updates. So guys, meet you in the next video.